Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. I'm back again with yet another pretty cool tip for the folks who love to snap progress shots. Right now, I'm going to talk about how you can disable Smart HDR on iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Just in case you don't want your images to be so high on the dynamic range front, this tip is for you. So let's see how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. Before trying to disable Smart HDR on your iPhone, it would be apt to get a good hang of this camera feature for a better understanding. Smart HDR takes advantage of AI and other computational photography techniques to deliver the best photo. To be more precise, the feature first captures a series of exposures before and after you tap on the photo shutter to take all the bright highlights, midtones and dark shadows. After that, Smart HDR uses the best elements of each frame and combines them into one exposed shot. Even though this is a pretty nice camera feature, it may not perfectly fit into all types of shots, particularly close-up portrait mode shots, and that's why it's always better to have the flexibility to turn off Smart HDR on your iPhone. Another thing worth noting is that Apple has removed the option to enable standard HDR on the newer iPhones. Here is a list of all the iPhones that currently support Smart HDR. iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR support Smart HDR. And iPhone SE second generation, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max support next generation Smart HDR. And iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max support Smart HDR 3. To turn off Smart HDR on the iPhone 12 series, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and choose Camera. After that, you have to turn off the switch for Smart HDR. To disable Auto HDR on other compatible iPhones, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and choose Camera. After that, turn off the switch for Auto HDR. That's all there is to it. So that's the way you can enable Disable Smart HDR on your iPhone. Now that you know how it works, take control of it as per your needs, and I'll see you in the next video with more such cool iOS hacks. Till then, have an amazing time. Bye-bye.